Hello again, my name is David Farley, doing the next lab in the list. The title of this lab is called Physical and Chemical Properties, and I've got my equipment set up on the table here. Goggles, beaker, stirring rod, the different test tubes, and all of the different substances that we're going to be testing today. So, without further ado, I will put on my goggles and begin experimenting. Alright. So, we have my 4 test tubes here, which you can kind of see, that we're going to be using to test these different substances. And once we have something in each test tube, we're going to do 4 different things to it. And that would be first just straight up holding it over a flame to see any reactions that happen. And then we're going to fill it with sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, and then I think one is water as well, just to see the differences in what happens in the physical and chemical portions. So, the first substance we're going to test, since I'm just going to follow the sheet here, is going to be magnesium, which we have right here, provided by the lab pack. So, what I'm going to do is open up one side of this package and try and pour a little bit in each test tube. Well, okay, I have a better idea. Since it's so hard to pour straight from the bag, we'll do it this way. Okay. It says we're only using small amounts in each test tube, which isn't very specific, so I don't know if I'm going small enough or if I'm not putting enough in it, but come to expect that from the lab pack. Okay. So more or less all my test tubes have about that much substance in it. If I get a poor reaction, I can always go back and add more, because I don't think I even used half of this. I don't know if we're supposed to use the whole thing or not. They never really are specific about that. So anyway, what we're supposed to be doing now is recording the color and the odor of it, unaltered. So, the color of magnesium is silver, so I'll record that right now. I can't really tell about an odor, so for now I'll leave that blank. And looks like what we're going to do now is light our burner on fire, and then we're we're going to use our test tube holder and hold the tube over the flame and see what happens when we do that. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now, is finish up the tests on all of the substances and all 4 or 5 things we're doing to it, and record the observations. They'll all be found in the lab report. I'm going to get to it.